Well, hello there. How are you? Namaste, good evening, Adab, Sat Sri Akal साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. I hope you all are looking forward to witness some great performances today, because surely I am. I am Bakul Quatra.
And I'm Simone Carlo. Today we will be hosting this first half of this event. Before we start, I would like to convey a few things as we have a very talented performers here to entertain you. We also have a short game which will be running in the chat box. The game is called Who Am I? Bakul will be explaining the rules.
So basically, it's a fun game. Most of us know about it. It's called Who Am I? It's just to keep the chat box interactive, and we'll be giving you 3-4 lines of a 3-4 lines describing a famous character, and you have to guess which character it is and from which movie, novel, or show it is.
I also request you all to please show all your love in the chat box and if possible please switch on your cameras क्योंकि ऐसे कई चीजें होती है जो हम कभी-कभी लफ्जों से बयान नहीं कर पाते मगर ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है जो चेहरे की मुस्कान छुपा पाती है.
Very well said, very well said. So to begin our event, I would like to just say 2 lines कि महफिल महफिल करता है, महफिल बना तो सही, कुछ 4 बातें मैं करूं, 4 करे तू, कि महफिल महफिल करता है, महफिल बना तो सही, 4 बातें मैं करूं, 4 करे तू, जो बात करने आया था वो बात बता तो सही. So on the note of महफिल, let's start this महफिल, and we have our first performer today, and his name is Sanket. Sanket, you can open mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
हाँ सर. हेलो.
Yes, you can start. You are audible.
और तो लिखा ऐसा है कि छोटी छोटी खुशियां में जीना सीख लेते हैं. छोटी छोटी खुशियां में जीना सीख लेते हैं. न जाने कितने बार भी गिरे पर साथ चलना सीख लेते हैं. न जाने कितने बार भी गिरे पर साथ चलना सीख लेते हैं. थोड़े से गुमसुम थोड़े चुपचाप ही रहे हैं. थोड़े से गुमसुम थोड़े चुपचाप ही रहे हैं. दर्द उसने हर बार ही दिए पर ही को साथ करे दिए. कभी छुपकर रोया है तो कभी चेहरे के हंसी के पीछे रोया. कभी छुपकर रोया है तो कभी चेहरे के हंसी के पीछे रोया. घर वाले नहीं जाने इसलिए बिन आवाज के भी रोया.
वाओ ये काफी लाजवाब परफॉर्मेंस था और एकदम सही बात की हम छोटी छोटी खुशियां ही एंड में मायने रखती हैं. And now I would like to welcome another very talented and creative poet, Aruja Bansal.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to present one of my own pieces. So it goes by the title, Not That Little Girl Anymore. Every morrow she comes to wipe away her sorrows, leans over that bench to fulfill her quench. She reminisces her past, for it was the best at last. She cries over that little girl who changed due to the society's norms, which did not accept her different forms, and told her that she wasn't that little girl anymore. She has to change. She has to be careful. She has to be attentive. She has to be silent. She has to be submissive. She has to change. After all, she's not that little girl anymore. She has to dress according to how people see. Freedom? No, just a word which has no meaning for her anymore. For she's not that little girl anymore. Thank you.
Very well done. This was indeed a very mesmerizing performance. As Simon, यार अब तो literally poetry सुना के सारा mood सा बन गया है, थोड़ा deep thoughts में जाने का मन कर रहा है literally.
बिल्कुल यार, आई एग्री. सबके इतने वर्सेटाइल और डीप थॉट्स हैं, इतने अच्छे पर्सपेक्टिव्स हैं कि अब मन कर रहा है कोई सूदिंग सा गाना लगा के ना बस ख्यालों में खो जाऊं.
नहीं सुनाता हूँ गाना तुझे. गाना क्या है?
नहीं, यहाँ के जो लोग हैं ना अरिजीत सिंह वाले लेवल वाले हैं और तू यहाँ पे ढिंचक पूजा की वाइब्स बना रहा है.
ये तो है. वैसे लोग भाग जाएंगे बेटी छोड़ के, पर चलो हाँ, सिंगिंग की बात करते हैं तो लेट्स कॉल अपॉन आवर नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर, अ वेरी टैलेंटेड एंड अ वेरी मेलोडियस वन, मानसी विश्वकर्मा. मानसी.
Hello.
Yes, Mansi, you're audible. You're audible.
Yeah, so good evening everyone. I'm Mansi Vishwakarma and आज मैं वो songs present करूँगी जो कि are very close to me. तो सबसे पहला is मुँह मुँह के धागे. This is the song जहाँ से I started my singing की journey. So ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जाओ मुझे कोई टोह टोह ना लागे किस तरह गिर है सोचे है रोम रोम एक तारा है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जाओ मुझे कोई टोह टोह ना लागे किस तरह गिर है ये सोचे. So the second one I'm going to present is one of the song that I like from the old genre, and it is बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. तुम कितने पास है कितने दूर है चांद सितारे सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं ये सारे मगर सच्चे लगते हैं ये धरती ये नदियाँ ये रहना और तुम. Now the third and the last one. This song is very close to my heart and it is Bali. So, तेनू तकिया होश ही भूल गई गरम गरम चाहत पे डुल गई चाह सजना ऐसी तेरी निगाह सजना चांदी चांदी दस दी जा तू दिल दे विच की तेरे मैं सुनिया उचिया दीवारा रखिया नी तू दिल दे चार चफेरे नाल सांभ के रख दी है कोई दिल तेरा लागे डेरे मैं सुनिया पहला भी दिल टूटिया तेरा एक बारी तायो दिल दी दीवारा मैं एक ना बनाई पारी.
Thank you so much, Mansi. You left everyone in awe. I could clearly see on the screen that everyone was vibing, moving their heads, and enjoying the performance.
Thank you.
Next
so much.
up, you're welcome. So next up, we have someone who has taught me to look into the intricacies of life. And if you listen to her poetry, which you will be, you would realize that she is a person who can even personify and beautify the cracks on a wall. So now I would like to welcome our very own beloved Khushi Didi. I think there's some network issues, so we'll line up our performance next. Pakul, I think we'll continue with the next performer.
Yes, we can. तो before आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक दो लाइन और आप सबके लिए. ये पर्दे खिड़की के कैसे पहरेदार हैं, ये पर्दे खिड़की के कैसे पहरेदार हैं, जो अंदर है अंधेरी सही अनमोल है बड़ा, जो अंदर है अंधेरी सही अनमोल है बड़ा, जो बाहर है वो नूर भी बेकार है, ये आंखें भी तो पर्दे हैं, ये कितनी मदद करते हैं, दुनिया जहां की बातें रायगा ही सही, ये रूह को खुश किया करते हैं, ये रूह को खुश किया करते हैं. So with this, I will invite our next performer, Amity. Are you there?
Yeah, yeah. So today I'm gonna be reciting a piece that I wrote, and it's titled "The Kind of Girl." The point of view is from the girl hero, that we see nowadays in our young adult fantasy books, what that girl thinks. They tell me if you want to be stronger, then you'll have to learn to fight alone. But I don't want to be stronger. I don't want to fight alone. I don't want to cry in the middle of the night, hugging a pillow in an empty room. I don't want to be the brave girl, the one that never cries, the one that puts on the brightest smile, even in the hardest times. I want to be the kind of girl who is soft and sensitive and kind, the one who takes care of everyone, but lets someone see her too, to let them take care of her when she is weak and sore, after a battle won or lost, when their wounds take their toll. When she is down on her knees as the darkness comes about, she lets them hold her close to heart and push the darkness out. I want to be the kind of girl who is brave yet vulnerable, who fights but is afraid to break, but is strong enough to get herself back to the way she was made. I don't want to be a hero. I just want to be a girl. I just want to be human. It's something I deserve.
That was indeed a brilliant piece. Thank you so much, Amity, for sharing it with us. We have Kushi back with us, and now she will be taking over.
Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. So the poem I was going to recite today, actually, it's very, very new. I've written it very recently. So I'd like to give a little premise for that because I'm afraid like it's a little confusing. So it's actually about reciting poems at open mics. It has a few metaphors, like it relates the experience of reciting poems to giving confessions, and because all our poems are in part some memories, so it relates the experience to bringing back some ghosts. So I'll try to open my video. So, revisiting of ghosts at poem recitations. Last time I met one of those, it rose like fumes from hot coffee on a closely arranged stage in a packed cafe. The apparition of a wound, the ghost of a family gathering gone sour. The specter of ghosts, doors slammed shut on the face of desperation. The spirit of an open palm clutching the back of a head till I stopped shivering. Last time I met one of those, the ugliness of my incapability, beautified enough to be celebrated. The applause at the metaphor that adorned the shame. The jubilation of language dressing a rotten scar. A collection of birds presented like a museum of artifacts, from moments of destruction, artifacts at sale, artifacts classified at their closeness to ruin, presented like the auction of mossy mirrors from a shipwreck, priced at appreciation. This weekend, I read out the engraving of gravestones. I read out life stories assumed meaningless, blinked them until they had enough meaning, until the applause was loud enough for the dead to hear. The moving of lips analogous to the sliding of hands on a Ouija board. The consciousness of a moment brought alive. Like a phantom of grief seeking absolution in the snaps of fingers. Audience confused for a priest and the podium for a confession box. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was indeed very beautiful. It reminds me of a small starting I wrote to one of my poems. It goes something like this. I may not be able to tell you what I feel. So I thread my feelings around my words. That's how I heal. Every time you read a para of it, you untangle a piece of me. Now, for our next performer, we have a very creative, a very experienced poet with us. I would like to welcome Ishita Nandwani.
Hi. So I'm gonna recite two of my poems. One of them I've not really named them per se, but like let's call them on and on and on. It's basically showing like
how a person can accept themselves for who they are. So here I go. Like an angel without wings, like a bird which cannot sing, like some paint without a brush, and a chase without the rush, like a sword with no sheath, like no secrets underneath. I go on and on and on, from every morning to the dawn, and I still don't know where I'm bound to go, and I still don't see what I'm bound to be. What point do I make? What risk do I take? Where did I lose my wings? Wasn't I born to sing? Do I flow or I chase down the tears as I cry, hurt myself not knowing me, catch the secrets flowing free? I go on and on and on, like morning dew on a grassy lawn. I still don't know where I'm bound to go, and I still don't see what I'm bound to be. But I know the points that I make and took the risks to partake. I wasn't an angel with no wings, nor a bird being born to sing. The abstract art that flowed chased the dreams as I glowed, didn't need to hide beneath a sheath. And now from the secrets, I found a wreath of how to go on and on and on, to dusk and to dawn. And now I know where I was bound to go. And now I see what I was bound to be. Myself is from what I'm made, no past or future to compare my mood. And the next poem is like about realizing that life has been really simple for all of us, and we're not able to comprehend that until very much later when life is no longer any simple. So it's called Child's Play. So you know what's best for you. If only this was always true, you'd never learn it the hard way, and life would have been a child's play. The life, the lies, what lies ahead, the destination, the path that we took that led us to the realization that we say that life was actually a child's play. But we grew up and saw it all, and the bits and pieces seemed to fall into places a disarray of thoughts we wove like a child's play. And as the irony goes, we are thrown into the throes of believing what they had to say, that it was a child's play wasn't actually a child's play. And as difficult it gets to understand is what makes it look so bland. And children won't have games left if of this understanding they weren't bereft. Yeah, that's about it.
Those were really such amazing pieces. The rhythm, the sense, it was very good. So while we are talking about acceptance, let me write two lines. It goes, ये वक्त से छीनना है वक्त बहुत सारा, वक्त से छीनना है वक्त बहुत सारा, उसने भी तो छीन लिया कितना कुछ हमारा, साथ खड़े रहे हम तूफानों में कहीं, साथ खड़े रहे हम तूफानों में कहीं, एक छोटी सी चिंगारी से चली आशियां।
ये तो बताते रहो।
So let's take this forward, and before I invite our next performer, I will be saying two lines more, just to set the mahal of this name. So here it goes कि प्यार मोहब्बत के खेल में पासे फेंकेगा कौन, प्यार मोहब्बत के खेल में पासे फेंकेगा कौन, जीत मेरी सिर्फ मेरी है, जीत मेरी सिर्फ मेरी है, हार में तू कौन मैं कौन. So by this I invite our next performer. She's a singer and in fact a melodious one, and her name is Ananya.
So hello everyone, my name is Ananya, and today I'm gonna be presenting a kind of mashup. So let's go. Am I audible? Okay. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid, no, I
Thank you so much, Ananya. Like it was in perfect sync, your guitar, your voice. And what I loved the best about this performance was you saw how she took para from every song and it fitted just so beautifully. And like this thing reminds me of something I wrote a few days back, and ये हिंदी में है. It's about something incomplete. So I'll just share it with you. So it goes something like this. अधूरी कहानी की सुंदरता को पहचानो, जिस चाह से शुरू हुई उसकी गहराई को जानो. एक पूरी कहानी में सुकून जरूर मिलता है, एक पूरी कहानी में सुकून जरूर है, मगर एक अधूरी कहानी पूरे करने का जुनून मुझ में, तुम में और उसको पढ़ने वाले हर इंसान का बन जाता फितूर है. So with this, I would like to call upon our next performer. He is also a very eminent poet. He is Harshal Bhatia.
So, hello everyone. So today I'm going to recite a poem which is referring to the struggles faced by an innocent child, which is described as a flower, and how one can become a role model for someone after going through them and fighting with them, and also states that every cloud has a silver lining. Yeah, so here it is. Once upon a time, a flower bloomed. She was innocent, evolving as soon. She had an urge to explore this earth, but knew nothing what's her worth. Wishing for a sunny day, clouds appeared. Expectations vanished, a bit feared. All was dark, nothing can be seen. She knew nothing, but what does it mean? Wishing for light, but lightning struck. She started shivering, hoping for luck. No sooner it happened, drops started to fall. She was afraid as hell. What is this all? Multiple flashes making it worse. Being a flower, is this a curse? Drenched badly, mud all over her. She ought to be delicate, as thin as fur. Fall came to halt. She was also so thankful. She survived it. Isn't it wonderful? Slow and steady, cloud shifted away. Her hopes got real. She started to pray. Everything had a reason, so was for it. She got water to grow, light to get lit. Now she's tough. Every misery was low. Thinking of defeating her was see her glow. She was happy and witty, thanking to God. Became an inspiration. She had that sword. A new flower bloomed, arose from a seed. Now she was there in her every need. Thank you.
Wow, Harshad, that was like such a power-packed performance, and indeed, it's just something I wrote back in the day prior. Sometimes just the eyes talk, ads are unrequired. Sometimes I'm asked to take a stand, but I step back. Sometimes it's more about your integrity and not the voice you lack. So I think now getting back to our performers, let's welcome Sparsh with his power-packed poetry. So Sparsh, whenever you're ready.
Hello everybody, how's it going? My name is Sparsh Yamini Sharma. I have a small YouTube channel, a small Instagram page as well. It's called Backstage Shobhanchit. Now, giving some context about this piece which I have written, it's called Vartaman. It is in Hindi. और ये ना उन लोगों के बारे में है, उन इंसानों के बारे में है जो थक गए हैं अच्छा कैरेक्टर प्ले करके. What tired of being the good guy, the protagonist, the hero of the story. They are tough, and it's definitely tough. So with this context, and there's something I can guarantee. This piece is not going to be liked by some of the people present here, but I'll ensure that it is liked by most of you, let's say. And yeah, going ahead with the piece, it's called Vartaman. तो अब ना मैं अच्छा इंसान बन कर थक गया हूं. वो जहाज जो डूब गया है उसका इंतजार करते करते पक गया हूं. तो कितना भी दर्द हो, शारीरिक या मानसिक, दोबारा लौट कर मत आना. चाहे मरो या जिंदा रहो, ना ये सुंदर चेहरा मुझे मत दिखाना. क्या पूछा था? कि मैं क्या साथ लाया था, वो जो तुमसे कभी संभल नहीं पाया था. तुम सही थे, जो तुमने किया उसके बाद इस दर्द के तुम पूरे हकदार हो. मेरा ये चेहरा आज तक किसी ने देखा नहीं, सोचा पहली बार तुम्हें इसका दीदार. वर्तमान में मैं जिंदगी से बहुत खुश हूं. तुम्हें क्या लगा मैं रो रहा हूं? दुखी हूं। मैं हूं, और पहले से बहुत बेहतर। क्या पता था इतना फायदा मिलेगा दूर रहकर। अब जो मैं हूं उस पर गुरूर है मुझे। शुक्रिया तुम्हारा। जहां पर पहले मैं था, आज तुम हो। हिसाब बराबर हो गया हमारा। तो जो मैं नहीं हूं मेरी जान, उसका सबूत मुझसे ना मांग। मुझसे पहले जैसी वो मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब ना मांग। नहीं आती याद तुम्हारी, और ये बात आज तुम्हारे सामने मैं कह रहा हूं। तुम्हें क्या लगा कि मैं देवदास बना गम सह रहा हूं? और नफरत नहीं है तुमसे, नहीं, तरस भी नहीं, घिन आती है तुमसे। क्यों? नफरत बराबरी वालों से होती है। सिर्फ इतना कहना बाकी है तुमसे। और शुक्रिया तुम्हारा, मुझे कई सारे ऐसे लोग मिले जिन पर मेरा ध्यान पहले गया नहीं, जो मेरे जवाब का इंतजार कर रहे थे, मगर मैंने जवाब दिया नहीं। प्यार प्यार में मेरा विश्वास और गहरा हो गया। मेरे सामने मौजूद प्यार का असली चेहरा हो गया। प्यार क्या नहीं होता वो समझाने के लिए शुक्रिया। जो हम थे वो एक गलती थी, ये बताने के लिए शुक्रिया। तो फाड़ कर फेंक दिया है वो पन्ना जो था हमारा। और हंस पड़ता हूं जब भी पढ़ता हूं नाम तुम्हारा। इसलिए नहीं कि कुछ बाकी है अंदर, कुछ नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, मगर अपनी जीत पर जश्न तो बनता है कि नहीं? सुनो, बहुत दर्द होता होगा ना जब नहीं मिलती कैदी से कोई रिहाई। तो जब सलाखों के पीछे हो तुम, तो बस इतना कहना था कि अच्छी मजा है। अब मैं नया हूं, सर से लेकर पैर तक। कभी मिलोगे तो शायद पहचान नहीं पाओगे। ये स्पर्श है, ये तो पूरा बदल गया। ये कहने से खुद को रोक नहीं पाओ। तो अब कई नए लोगों से बात हुई, वो भी आज यहाँ मेरे साथ है। तो खत्म हुआ बुरा सपना, खत्म हुए हम। बस इतनी सी बात है। और हाँ, इतना दर्द कैसे हो सकता है वो भी बिना कोई वार किए? यही पूछ रही हो ना? एक समय पर मैंने भी थे ये सवाल किया, मगर अब जिंदगी हसीन है। तुम्हारे बिना हर पल रंगीन है। तो दफना दो मुझे, क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हें कब का दफना दिया। तुम्हारी परछाई को पैरों से कुचल कर मैंने अपने आप को अपना लिया। और हाँ, धन्यवाद। शायद तुम नहीं होती तो शायद मैं खुद को जान ना पाता। तुम्हारी काली परछाई को अपने सामने रखकर अपने रंगीन कल को पहचान ना पाता। तो हो गई तसल्ली? ना मैं रहा ना तुम। अब कहाँ हो गए हो गुम? आज कल और परसों मेरा जीवन संवर गया। हम दोनों की शक्ल के अलावा सब कुछ बदल गया। धन्यवाद।
That was amazing, Sparsh. I loved the dialogue delivery and the ingenuity of the words that you portrayed. Everything was amazing. Now I would like to call on Anubhav Tyagi for yet another masterpiece.
Hello everyone, this is Anubhav Tyagi and hope you all are doing great. And I must say everyone here is so damn talented and I'm a bit nervous. I might not tune it down, I hope. And so I guess everyone here must have once been in that place where you feel that rush about someone in your life, that someone special comes in your life when you meet someone new and your whole day goes on by with talking to them, and then when you go to sleep you just had a conversation with them and you are about to go to sleep, and it's so new, you feel like कुछ तपिश है कुछ टूटी सी सांस है, बेनींद इन आंखों को मिला कुछ तो खास है, कुछ सर्द है कुछ ज़बां पर ठहरे अल्फाज हैं, फैसलों का फासला है,
जो मुलाकात का मोहताज है. And you know, you people vibe so much, you know, you like them, that they are so perfect for you, and you know that there's a spark between you from both the sides. And but you people feel that commitment issues come, and from both the sides, and it is not something negative, but it's like you feel nervous of that burden of a relationship might kill that vibe, and you just so afraid of getting into a relationship. But it's just a feeling, and it goes like, प्यार से रंजिश और तुझसे प्यार है, प्यार से रंजिश और तुझसे प्यार है, सुबह नींद से भरी तेरी सांसें, रात के इजहार का ढलता हुआ खुमार है. Sometime later, days goes by, and you feel more and more comfortable with the person, and they make you feel so happy, and you know you can get so vulnerable with them. Now you trust them so much, and it's just a leap of confession, and you should do that, and you should say, like, दिल को इजाजत दी है मोहब्बत की, दिल को इजाजत दी है मोहब्बत की, तेरे दिल की इजाजत हो तो जवाब देना, शराफत का वादा किया है तुमसे, शरारत की चाहत हो तो जवाब देना. And once that jawab comes, and it's so awesome, after that you guys are hitting it off, you go through all the ups and downs, and it is so that peaceful feeling you get in a relationship. And in a relationship, it's the imperfect things that make the things perfect. But it can be so difficult sometimes, because you are in a long distance relationship, you get into a long distance relationship, you can't meet every day, you are busy, because come on, it's not just love in life, you have to do other things also, and it gets a little tough in long distance. You don't want to develop bad feelings, you don't want bad thoughts, but they do come. And you might feel after fights, माफ है तेरी गलतियां, माफ है तेरी गलतियां, पर गलतियों की माफी नहीं है, साफ दिल है तू, पर तेरी सफाई काफी नहीं है, तराजू लेकर चलता है जो तू, तोल ले उसमें हमको सबसे, हमसी हंसी है उसकी, पर हमसा होना लाजमी नहीं है. Such things can destroy a relationship. That distance is such a sucker. And after some time, when it falls off, it can't work out. It's not you, but it's also not them. But you still feel that they gave up on you. You start to feel that hatred about them. And I must say, like, स्पर्श से घिन आने लगती है after some time. But when you visit those places where you have been with them, that nostalgic trips hit you, you don't want them, but those memories haunt you so much, and you feel like तू एक याद है बुरी ही सही, तू एक याद है बुरी ही सही, दिल में तेरी जगह है नफरत की ही सही, तुझे देखकर जो सुकून मिला करता था, तुझे देखकर जो सुकून मिला करता था, मेरी मुस्कुराहट गवाह है, आज तेरी गली से गुजरा, दिल जोरों से धड़कने लगा, तू दिख ना जाए इस खौफ से ही सही. And now I'd like to say something to all the romantics here, that if someone tells you that it's so old school to be a romantic in this age, and why are you like this or such thing, I'll like to tell you something. Just tell them, शबाब का नशा नहीं, दीवानगी वाला साथ हूँ, बेचैन रातें नहीं, एक चैन की सांस हूँ, तू जिस सफर से डरता है, मैं उस सफर का एक रूहानी सा मुकाम हूँ. And I like to end it on the note for everyone here, because romantic or not, everyone falls in a trap called love. So just a warning, बच के रहना इश्क से, बच के रहना इश्क से, ये सब कुछ मिटा देगा, तू चीज क्या है तेरी राख तक को मिटा देगा. Thank you everyone, you have been a great audience. That's my part.
That was amazing work, Anubhav. I loved how you covered almost every aspect of love. This actually reminds me kind of my own poem that I once wrote. It was about writing back to the ghosts of a past and talking to them because you can't talk to them in the present anymore. It goes something like this. What earthly wonders can save the past? What words can forgive a future so vast? How to reach to the past that I daily recall, sometimes so harsh and cruel that I may never recover from the a promise of a future in the past. How can it ever be? How to penetrate through the semi-permeable past that I see? Who can ever catch the ghost that we chase? Because we cling on to what's gone, running down a dreary hills. How can one write a letter to his ghosts? Will it ever reach them through the post? And if it doesn't, how will they see what went on? Because the story progressed, even with them. I wonder how many stories I unknowingly wrote and broke, and how many tears those eyes I see had to soak. I wonder how many see a ghost that is in me. And most of all, I wonder if I can ever be free. Now, we've had a lot of poetry, so maybe it's time for a bit of singing and a bit of songs. So here I'd like to welcome Ishan Singh with his songs.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ishan, and I would love to present a remix that I've just created, and of two beautiful songs. So it goes like. वो शहर बड़े होंगे बोरियत भरे, रहता नहीं जिनमें तू संग, तेरे खबर मुझे भी है, रौनकें सभी होती तेरे होने से, तेरे बिना तन्हा कोई क्या करे। हाँ, ऐसे सभी शहरों से मुझको तरस है आता बड़ा। हाँ, तेरे लिए मैं ना जहाँ खड़ा हो, हाँ, मीलों का हो सालों का हो चाहे जो, सफर की परवाह नहीं, तू है जहाँ मैंने वहाँ होना है, पहुंच है जाना वहीं, तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा, तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा, जो तू न मिला मानेंगे वो दहलीज नहीं होती, रब नाम की यारा यहाँ कोई चीज नहीं होती, हाय रब ओनू खोलण दे जेड़ा होवे ओनू जान तो प्यारा वे, तू मैनू छड़ जाना, गल्लां तेरियां तो लगदा है यारा, देरा रे दरे रा रे रा रे दरे रा रे रा रे दरे रा रे रा दरे रा रे, गल गल ते शक कर दे तू बार जरा भी नहीं, हुण तेरियां अखियां च मेरे ਲਈ प्यार जरा भी नहीं, मेरा ते कोई है नी तेरे बिन, तेनू मिल जाना किस दा सहारा वे, तू मैनू छड़ जाना, गल्ला गल्ला तेरियां तो लगदा है यारा वे, मैथों तेरा मन भरया। थैंक यू।
That was amazing, Ishan. Very melodious. Very good.
Incredible performance.
And listening to everyone, I'm realizing just how talented people we have amongst us. It's been an honor to listen to every one of you and learn and grow with the idea of art that we have all chosen to embrace. Now, I would like to welcome Yashso for his performance. He's been here with us since the beginning of our journey in Poets Talk and has been a guiding force for each and every one of us. We are honored to have him here with us.
Can't Yash not be joining us?
Oh.
We'll be continuing with Cherish, okay?
Sure.
Okay, so we bring with you.
Good evening, everyone.
Cherish, and she's like a very
Cherish, if you're here, please, this is your time to join in.
Good evening, everyone. Here I am, Cherish Mahajan, with just a little piece of my writing. And it goes like, मैं ना उनसे नाराज नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन अपनी इसी बात पर अपने से बहुत बार नाराज हो चुकी हूं मैं। समझ तो आप सब गए ही होंगे कि इस पोएट्री का विषय क्या होने वाला है। आज फिर किसी तरीके से जिंदगी से मुलाकात हो गई। कभी कभी मैं हार जाती हूँ, फिर कलम को सिरहने रख सोने की कोशिश में लग जाती हूँ। लिखने को दिल चाहता है सब दिल की बातें, लेकिन क्या करूं, वहां तक पहुंचने में ही मैं बिखर जाती हूँ। फिर सोचती हूँ, ये सही, ये गलत, ये सही, आखिर ये है क्या? कोई तो बताए ये है क्या? ना क्या किसी से सच्चा प्यार करना, किसी से बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करना गलत है क्या? लेकिन फिर जब वही इंसान किसी और से वो मोहब्बत करता है तो वो गलत क्यों है? और अगर वो गलत नहीं है तो फिर मैं सही क्यों नहीं हूं? बस इसी कश्मकश में हमने जिंदगी गुजारी है। अगर कहते हो ना कि दुनिया वालों से चलती है, तो ये बताओ कि हर दिन एक लैला, हर दिन एक मजनू क्यों बनता है? अपनी जिंदगी की बात सुनाऊं अगर, तो सोचा तो मैंने भी था एक ख्वाब, लेकिन वो कभी देखा ही नहीं गया। फिर उसके बाद मुझसे तमाम उम्र बस सोया ही ना गया। कुछ मैं भी खुद पसंद थी, बिल्कुल, कुछ वो भी बेकदर था। टूटा जो एक सिलसिला, वो दोबारा कभी जोड़ा ना गया। जब भी मिला वो मुझसे मिला एक आईना सा बनकर। शायद मुझसे ही खुद को हर दफा हर बार देखा ना गया। मुझे लगा कि वो नाराज है मुझसे लेकिन मेरी ही बात पर। लेकिन ये थोड़ी पता था इस दिल नादान को कि तुझसे भी तो खूबसूरत चेहरे हैं इस ज़मीन पर। वो हो गए किसी और के और हम बस इसी सोच में चल रहे हैं कि वो नाराज है हमसे एक छोटी सी बात पर। मोहब्बत की आड़ में उन्हें खुदा बना डाला था, मोहब्बत की आड़ में उन्हें खुदा बना डाला था, लेकिन खुदा ने अपने वजूद को बचाने के लिए उस बंदे को हमसे दूर कर डाला था। अपने साथ उड़ा ले गए घर परिंदे का, कैसे बनाया था हमने तिनका जोड़ के वो घोंसला, उन तूफानों ने कहाँ जाना। आज भी अगर जिक्र आता है ना उनका, जिक्र आए अगर आज भी उनका, तो मेरे लब से बस दुआएं निकले। लाजिम है कि रात के बाद सुबह तो निकले। वक्त की तलवार से कट जाते हैं सबके ही सीने। ये प्यार है ना जो, ये प्यार का मुखौटा उतरे ना मेरी जान, तो सच्ची शक्ल निकले। सुनाते सुनाते आज आप सबके आगे चढ़ तो गई हूं मैं यादों की दीवार पर, लेकिन अब उतारेगा कौन इस दीवार पर से। गिला है तो है, लेकिन बस एक ही गली से मेरे शहरे दिल का, लेकिन लड़ती फिरती हूँ आज भी इस शहर भर से। ये लकीरें, ये नसीब, ये किस्मत, मेरे से मानो तो सब फ्रेब के आईने हैं। उनको याद करना, उनकी यादों में जलना, फिर उनकी यादों को जलाना, इससे ही तो मुकम्मल जिंदगी के मायने हैं। क्योंकि बर्बाद तो कर ही देता है इश्क, बर्बाद तो कर ही देता है इश्क हर वफा करने वाले को। कैसे कहेगा वो इश्क कि हाँ ये इम्तिहान अभी और भी हैं देने तुमको। इश्क नहीं हार मानता और दिल बात नहीं मानता, आगे कैसे चले ये बता दो। सुनो एक बात सुनो, सुना है मैंने कि अब वो छोड़ गया है मुझे, सुना है मैंने कि अब वो हो गया है किसी और का, सुना है मैंने कि अब उसे मेरी याद नहीं सताती। दुआ करो ना कि ये सब बातें झूठी हो, दुआ करो ना कि ये जो दिल की बप्ता हमें सुनाई गई है ये बस दिल से जोड़ सुनाई हो। दुआ करो अभी और हो इतनी, आधी उन्होंने छपाई हो और आधी उन्होंने छिपाई हो। टूटी हुई हूं मैं तो जाहिर है कि दिखूंगी भी, पूरी कहां से ही दिख जाऊंगी। उनसे कहना कि अब वो वापस ना आए, क्योंकि अगर वो आ गए तो फिर लिखूंगी कैसे अब आगे। शुक्रिया। That was a very beautiful performance. In fact, I love the last line, like लिखूंगी कैसे अब आगे वाली line. In fact, when you were reciting your poem, you mentioned about sahi and galat, and it reminded me of a poem I wrote. It was called The Dilemma, and I'll just recite 2 paras from it. It goes something like this. The soul is a mere umpire in the match between the heart and the brain. It brings to our conscious what is wrong and what is right, disregarding we gain or our efforts go in vain. It is up to you to decide when the heart and brain are in a fight, and all possibilities are with an if or might. Now choose which path will you be missing and which one will you ride. At the end, my friend, it is the one decision taken to which you have to abide. So with this, I would like to call our next performer, Yashika Agarwal.
Character, it was a really nice performance. Like, I really like your flow of poetry and your voice. Everything is really nice. And
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Just to say that all the other participants, all the other people who are watching this open mic, it would be really nice if you could turn on your videos, because then the person performing will feel like they're actually performing to an audience. So instead of only the organizers. So just to, encourage the other people, it would be really nice if you could turn on your videos. Thank you so much. Sorry, I'm so sorry to interrupt the flow. Yashika, please go on. All the best.
So, hi everyone, my name is Yashika and मैं ज़्यादा कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगी नहीं, सीधा अपनी कविता का शीर्षक से शुरू करूंगी। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है बेनाम हयात। ये कहानी है वो लड़की की जो थी नाजुक और बेजुबान सी, जिसने अपनी हालत और कभी दर्द कभी भी किसी को बयां की, चुपचाप सब सहती गई। ऐसी उस लड़की की अनकही दास्तान थी। अपने अंदर ही सब कुछ समा के रखने की न थी उसकी आदत, सबने उसे मजबूर किया, ऐसी थी उसकी हालत। क्या उसका मासूम होना इतना बड़ा गुनाह था? शायद इसीलिए उसका आज इस बात का सबसे बड़ा गवाह था कि वो बड़ी चुलबुली नटखट बच्ची अपनी गलती कबूल करे, थी वो इतनी सच्ची, मगर छीन ली उस जुबान इस समाज ने। शायद उसका ईमानदार चुलबुल होना गलत था समाज के लिहाज में। सब उसे जानकर भी कर देते हैं अनजान, जिस वजह से है वो एक अफसार बन गई है उसकी पहचान। क्या इतना गलत था उसका जन्म लेना? मिले उसे ऐसे लोग जिनका काम था सिर्फ उसे ऊपरी घाव पर मरहम देना। मिले उसे कुछ ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने कुरेदे उसके पुराने दर्द। इतनी सी उम्र में बनकर रह गई वो एक फर्द। जब भी वो कोशिश करती कि अपनी जुबान से करे बयां अपने जज्बात को, मगर तोड़कर चला जाता कोई हर मुलाकात में उसको। क्या गलती थी उस मासूम जान की जो कर दिया उस अनजान पूरी दुनिया में। बार बार वो अपने करीबी की फिक्र करते, मगर वही करीबी उसका एक बार भी जिक्र नहीं करते। जाने कितनी मर्जी प्यार भरी बातें करवा ले उनसे, मगर निभाने की जब बारी आए तो उसे ठुकरा दिया कर बर्बाद उसकी रातें। क्या गलती थी उस मासूम जान की जो हर कोई उससे दूर चला जाता। काम करवाना हो तो उसे मजबूर समझ जाता। हर बार उस जान ने उनको सहारा दिया और हर बार उन्होंने उसे नकार दिया। उसने जिसको अपनी खुशकिस्मती माना, उसी ने उस जान को किस्मत पर शक करने को मजबूर कर दिया। हर बार वही धोखा, हर बार वही दुख। क्या उसके दिल को दर्द नहीं होता? मगर दुनिया उसे यही समझाती कि कोई किसी का हमदर्द नहीं होता। जो जान उसे इतना प्यार करती थी, उसी ने उसको अंधकार की तरफ मजबूर कर दिया। बचपन से उसने इतना कुछ सहा, इतने सपने देखे, मगर सब चकनाचूर हो गया। उसने कर दिया उसके अपनों ने। हर बार वो उनकी सामने झुकती रही कि कभी तो वो देखे उसकी तरफ, मगर हमेशा उसकी झोली में समा जाते वो एक कभी ना पिघलने वाली सॉरी नाम की बर्फ, जो बिखर गई है उसकी जिंदगी कांच के टुकड़ों जैसी। रब करे किसी को ना मिले कभी ऐसी हयात वैसी। उन टुकड़ों को समेटते थक गई है वो, ऐसा लगता जैसे उसकी सांस रुक गई है, मगर जी रही है वो बस एक उम्मीद के सहारे कि पलट जाएगी उसकी जिंदगी एक रास्ते के किनारे। थैंक यू।
That was a great performance, Yashika. So amazing. Now I would like to call on Simran for her performance. Simran, please, if you're ready.
Hello everyone, I am Simran. Today I am going to recite a Hindi poem. Everyone at one point goes through some ups and downs, so my poem depicts the same, and the title of my poem is Zindagi. बिखरना, यही तो एक अल्फाज है जो दिल के करीब है। बिखरना, यही तो एक अल्फाज है जो दिल के करीब है। समय ना होते हुए भी थमने को नहीं आ रहा। समय ना होते हुए भी थमने को नहीं आ रहा। क्या मैं यही हूँ? क्या जिंदगी होती ही यही है? क्या मैं यही हूँ? क्या जिंदगी होती ही यही है? सपनों में जी रहे थे, गिरकर भी देख लिया। सपनों में जी रहे थे, गिरकर भी देख लिया। गिरते गिरते खुद को ही खो लिया। गिरते गिरते खुद को ही खो लिया। मगर खोता भी तो वही है जो कभी अपनाओ। मगर खोता भी तो वही है जो कभी अपनाओ। हाथ पकड़ाते पकड़ाते सब कुछ थमा दिया। हाथ पकड़ाते पकड़ाते सब कुछ थमा दिया, पर जब पलट के देखा तो पीछे कुछ था ही नहीं। पर जब पलट के देखा तो पीछे कुछ था ही नहीं। शायद जलील होना भी एक खेल था। शायद जलील होना भी एक खेल था। अब तो पड़ाव यूं है कि जिक्र भी रंगों से कम नहीं। अब तो पड़ाव यूं है कि जिक्र भी रंगों से कम नहीं। सुभान अल्लाह, शायद जिंदगी होती ही यही है। शायद जिंदगी होती ही यही है. Thank you.
So beautiful. Oof, so many words with such beautiful, thought-provoking emotions. I definitely need some time to think while I listen to something soothing and melodious. So we bring upon Manu Katal, and he's gonna soothe us with his melodious voice. So Manu, whenever you're ready,
Yeah.
go for it.
So am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
So hello everyone. So today I'll present a song, and that's Agar Tum Saath Ho, and it goes like this. पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए, आंखों में तुमको भरूं, बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं, अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो, बहती रहती नहर नदियां सी तेरी दुनिया में मेरी दुनिया है, तेरी चाहतों में मैं ढल जाती हूँ, तेरी आदतों में अगर तुम साथ हो, तेरी नजरों में है तेरे सपने, तेरे सपनों में है नाराजी, मुझे लगता है कि बातें दिल की होती लफ्जों की धोखेबाजी, तुम साथ हो या न हो क्या फर्क है, बेदर्द थी जिंदगी बेदर्द है, अगर तुम साथ हो. Thank you.
That was amazing, Manu, as usual, Rohit. So coming up next is a man who needs no introduction. Frankly speaking, I was really waiting for this moment to come up, and just want to share when I first heard this man, I literally told him that he's a medical wonder. His voice box has something different. He's my man, my boy, Sparsh Kansal.
थैंक यू बकुल. ओके, सो आवाज़ आ रही है सबको? ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन. So I'm going to show some levels of beatboxing. Let's start with the level 1. Level 2. Level 3. So here's a routine that I prepared. I've got 20 bucks in my hand and I'm walking. 20 bucks in my hand and I'm walking. I've got 20 bucks in my hand and I'm walking. 20 bucks in my hand and I'm walking. I've got 20 bucks in my hand and I'm walking. 20 bucks in my hand and I'm walking. 20 bucks in my hand and I'm walking. 20 bucks in my hand and I'm walking and I'm walking. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Sparsh. It was so amazing that I didn't feel like I'm sitting in front of a laptop. It almost felt as if live performance chal rahi hai. The sound quality is also so good, even though we are on Zoom. Amazing,
Thank you.
superb.
Thank you, everyone.
Yes. So now we are open for registrations. Like these were all the performers for today. In case any of you want to perform, we have some extra time to yield. So you have within the next 10 minutes, you're supposed to send if you want to perform any request to any one of the hosts. You can send it to Bakul, Shruti, Muskan, or me. And now Shruti and Muskan, you can take over.
Definitely. Sparsh, that performance was so power-packed. I wish I could like continue listening to it, but I don't want to trouble your voice box anymore. So I think we'll just let Muskan perform a little piece that she's written. Muskan, would you like to take over?
Yeah, I'll give me a sec. Sorry. Okay, so I'll be performing one of the pieces I wrote a few months back. It's called The Terror of Nostalgia. It goes something like this. There are ghosts sitting pretty in my drawers, little angels born from hellish wars. She smiles like she doesn't see my pain. And what does that say about my pain? That even my ghosts can't whisper their word. Nostalgic smiles and days already past. A ton of memories that can never last. I miss the world that's left me behind. So I reminded softly to my mind. Those were pretty, pretty days. I am tired of the things that I chose to once adore. Day in and day out, knocking on present's door, haunting my daydreams and blood-soaked laughter. And I still chase and chase it till long after. Still pushed pretty in the corner of my eye. Thank you. That's one.
Thank you so much, Muskan. It was a really nice performance. Everyone, all the performances that I've heard have been so absolutely nice. Just this is a plea to all the all the second years, sorry, that you very rarely get to perform in open mics. So like if you've written any poetry that you, even if you think it's not good enough, I highly recommend that you should perform it, because बहुत कम chances मिलते हैं, and college के बाद you will not get any open mics, and already तुम्हारा एक साल college का was essentially फर्जी. So क्या कहते हैं, if you can, please perform. मतलब जो भी whatever you written, even if it's a stand up, even if it's just a one line का शेर या कुछ भी, you should totally perform it. क्योंकि ऐसे generally open mic lit की और engage करवा पाता है, but इस बारी due to the pandemic बहुत कम हुए हैं, so we highly recommend कि तुम लोग perform करो if you can.
Aryan, if you want to perform.
All right, I think we have one entry. Aryan Sehgal is going to sing for us. So you can start whenever you're ready, Aryan.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is an impromptu. I would like to sing a song, Kaise Hua, from Kabir Singh, as you all have heard it. So I may not be fully prepared for this song, so please bear the song with me. So I'm gonna start. हंसता रहता हूँ तुझसे मिलकर क्यों आजकल बदले बदले हैं मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह कैसे हुआ कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ कैसे हुआ कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ मैं बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था है सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर कहीं पे हो रातें कहीं पे सवेरे आवारगी रही साथ मेरे ठहर जा ये कहती है तेरी नजर क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ कैसे हुआ कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ Thank you so much.
That was just so beautiful. Everybody was loving it. Everybody was shaking their heads to it.
Thank you so much.
Well done, dude.
This was amazing. Now, I sure hope that you all enjoyed the wonderful pieces that have been shared so far. It was a great opportunity for us to grow, learn, and get more innovative and creative with our poetic license, so that we can also grow as
Muskan.
Yeah, just one thing. Okay, so it was really a nice night, and everyone is so extremely talented here. Believe me, the only reason I am thinking about performing is because I'm in my 4th year. So this is the last open mic I'll have. But by far, everyone here is so much more talented than I am, especially with regard to my own performance. The only reason I want to perform is because fuck it, why not? Right. So
Gensec OP.
Yes. Okay. So I'm not sure if I'm not audible, then please let me know, okay? Because my laptop is very fucked up. Can you hear this?
Yes, it's a bit low in volume, but it's audible.
Yeah. Just a second. Is it better now?
Yes, it's fine.
So this is a song that I really like, and by all means call me out for singing it again and again because I love the song. So because you were all our first year, so you've never heard it from me, but yeah, okay, there we go. Am I audible or not?
You are just
You're
golden
audible.
and
Please
Sorry,
go
sorry, I am
on.
very
Carry on.
anxious.
This
Sorry,
is so
sorry.
beautiful.
Please go on. Sorry, sorry. आशाएं कि हम नहीं आएंगे बार बाहें गले में डाल के हम रोले जार आँखों से तो ये प्यार की बरसात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से
Yeah. Oh my God, I literally wanted to turn on my mic and just sing along with you, but oh my God, I am just completely mesmerized by that. That was so
Thank you.
beautiful, so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, Muskan,
We
we'll
have
let you
one
get back
more
to your announcement.
registration.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, we have one more registration from Ishan Singh, who will be singing another song for us. So Ishan, whenever you can ready.
By listening Kaise Hua, I just wanted to sing the lyrics that I wrote of Kaise Hua. Maybe you all like it. मैं यारी की कसमें समझता नहीं था, इस बात का गम मुझे तो नहीं था। संभल जा दिल मुझसे कहता रहा, मैं जाऊं कहीं लौट आऊं तुझी पे, तू हर दफा साथ रहता हो मेरे। ना जा मिटा दे तू ये दूरियां, हाँ तेरे नाल रहना चाहे दिल मेरा। यादें मेरी हर दफा तुझसे जुड़ी हो सदा, है तू वही या फिर नहीं, ना है पता। हाँ 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 कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी, कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी, कैसे हुआ।
That was very good. And it synced in perfectly. ऐसा लग भी नहीं रहा था कि we're not listening to the original version, yet it was beautiful. Now, Muskan, you can conclude the event.
So, an open mic, this was a great opportunity for all of us to grow as artists. And sorry. Anyway, so be at Poetsock in collaboration.
Continue.
Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, open mic is it was a great opportunity for all of us to grow as artists. And we at Poetsock are committed to helping everyone grow more as poets and artists. So we will soon be announcing a prompt writing poetry competition for all of us poetry lovers out here. So stay tuned to our Instagram handle and keep checking them, for we'll be announcing them soon.
Okay, so
Thank
I'd
you.
like to conclude with just a little bit of poetry that I wrote. With words, I start my day, and with words, I say goodbye. They hold my hand through emotions, the ones which try to pry. Some rest and calm in those peaceful moments passing by. Some that need to be heard, some that are just a silent cry. Because with words, I find my way to say those very hard goodbyes. As we come to the end of today's session, I'd like to thank everyone present today on the behalf of Poetsock and Anubhuti for a very successful and enjoyable session. Words are to artists as colors are to the eyes. They decorate our emotions with expressions, voice, and beauty. They are what make us what we are and what we aim to be. So with this, I'd say pursue everything your heart desires and your soul requires. Have a great rest of the week and enjoy.
Shruti, I'm really sorry, but there is one request and I wouldn't like to
Okay,
say no to it.
please go ahead.
So Kautik Bector is here, and I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Kautik Bector, you can take on the stage and please go ahead with the performance.
Hi, Simon.
Yes,
Hello,
yes.
everyone. So, yeah,
Hello.
you pronounced it appropriately, correct. And obviously, I hear my name Karthik from most of the guys, but I'm really sorry for the last minute entry. But I was
No
just not
problem.
able to control myself after seeing such an enthusiastic, evening. So, I'm not into much into poetry, and rather I'm into painting and playing some instruments. But I also read usually some poetries, and I like a couple of them a lot. So today I want to just recite it in front of you guys. So here it goes. जिस्म से जिस्म का रिश्ता क्या है, सब समझते हैं बताना क्या है। मौत से पूछ रहे हैं लोग, जिंदा रहने का तरीका क्या है। हाके में वक्त को भी इल्म नहीं, वक्त का अगला निशाना क्या है। मैंने एक बार मोहब्बत की थी, मैं समझता हूँ खसारा क्या है। एक तहजीब मिटा चाहती है, एक उर्दू का रिसाला क्या है। एक मरता हुआ किरदार हो तुम, अब कहानी में तुम्हारा क्या है। चलो दुनिया से पता करते हैं, हमने दुनिया में बिगाड़ा क्या है। नहीं एहसास लकड़हारे को, धूप क्या चीज है साया क्या है। कितने रंगों से भरी है ये दुनिया, इतने रंगों में हमारा क्या है। पढ़ने वाला तो यही देखेगा तुमने कागज पर उतारा क्या है। वो मुलाकात की हसरत क्या थी, ये पिछड़ने वाले का तरीका क्या है। भले लोगों के लिए कानून, चोर के सामने ताला क्या है। क्या ये तहजीब में मर जाएगी, मर भी जाए तो हमारा क्या है। Thank you everyone.
That was just so beautiful, and I feel like it was even a more beautiful end to this session today. And I would like to thank all of you for being here and being such a support and for performing so beautifully. And with this, I would say, like, if you want to leave, you can start leaving. And if you want to turn on your mics and say anything, you're very welcome to do that.
Well, I would like to add one thing. Like, it was a really enthusiastic evening, which really pumped me a lot, just to find something because I was not well from quite a long time. So I was just not able to control it. And I hope I get, like, we all get such kind of evenings even more. Thank you, everyone.
We will try our best to accommodate as
Next
many people.
offline event, सबको आना है.
Yeah, hopefully we get it off.
Priority भी वही रहा.
And I am totally putting Sukriti Sharma on the spot here. Please just sing or recite poetry. She's a very multi-talented, multifaceted
Yes.
person.
Yes,
Also in her 4th year. And I am totally giving you social anxiety.
I am totally going to announce and declare my hatred for Divyanshi Gupta today.
I love you too, bitch.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. I don't know what to perform. You put me completely on the spot. This is
Sure,
not-
go ahead. I know stressful situations are where you shine. Come on.
Yeah, right. So why don't you tell me what to sing?
Why don't you sing that one? क्या कहते हैं? Lavi and Rose. Or whatever that was.
Okay, sure. I can give it a shot.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Give me a second to prepare, if I may.
Do you want me to come and give you the ukulele? Do you want me to come to your room and give you the ukulele?
I can come to your room. I think that's a better option.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Let the others talk till then. I am coming.
So, ऐसे impromptu performances, anyone if you
I'm
want
sorry,
to do.
children. Boomers have hacked this open mic. Sorry for this.
बस बेचारी मुस्कान को ऐसे 5 बारी वो ऐसे ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी डिक्लेयर कर चुके हैं.
हाँ, exactly. ये सब दिव्यांशी की गलती है, guys. याद रखना.
ठीक है, जेनसेक कार्ड मैक्स.
जेनसेक हम कुछ कह नहीं सकते.
If we get to hear you, then that's fine. We're fine with that. We'll keep doing it.
Thank you for the 22 people who are still hanging on.
Yeah.
I really appreciate your dedication to our calls. By the way, poets are great job. बहुत सही, काफी talented
Thank you.
लोग
Thank
and
you.
good publicity. Like ऐसे short notice पे, I think 67 people were attending this meeting at one
Yeah.
point, right? And even अभी ये खत्म भी हो गया, still there are 22 people. मतलब you've managed to keep people's attention, which is nice.
अभी जितने हैं हमने उतने एक्सपेक्ट करे थे.
Which is nice, really nice. Good job, good job. And I like it तुमने ऐसे you filled the fillers with your own poetry also. It's nice, and all of it was good. So good job.
Thank you.
और कोई नहीं है क्या यार? कोई कुछ तो करो. Some I'm pretty sure इनमें से कुछ ना किसी ने कोई ना कोई तो poetry लिखी होगी. Do you want me to start ऐसे calling you all? Gursimran Singh is in the house, भाई. ऐसे stand up, Gursimran. Gursimran, is this you or is this some different?
The moment you said you're calling out, we should start.
नहीं.
I think it's a different Simran.
Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, Simran, you're
Are you
audible.
guys taking my name?
No. Good Simran.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, I thought it was Gursimran Singh, the joint secretary. My bad, really bad. Please.
Pakul, I think you should start with your shairi. I think everybody will join in if you can like give us some pieces. Come on.
Pakul, वो तिल वाली सुना दे
At
यार.
least the one that you recited in the meet. Please go with that.
स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes, go ahead, please.
जोड़ लो मुझको एक बूंद में तुम, इस बूंद को मोती कह देना, तोल के देखो सच को मेरे, कुछ कटौती हो देना। कोई बात हो जो लगी बुरी, कुछ काम हो जो किया नहीं, रखना बातें मन में सारी, मौका लगे तो कह देना। कोई कहानी हो जो सुनानी, कुछ रातें हो जो बितानी हो, अनसुना करे जब तुम्हें ये शहर सारा, तुम थोड़ा मेरे करीब आना और कान में धीरे से कहना। थोड़ा कच्चा हूँ दुनिया के व्यापार में, बेचता हूँ हिस्से अपने हर रोज नए बाजार में। भूखा मेरी तुम सौदा करना, महंगा लगे तो कह देना। जानोगे जो मुझको तुम बात समझ में आए, जानोगे जो मुझको तुम एक बात समझ में आए। मायूसी है सहेली ये कलम मुस्काया करती है, लिखने में मैं बुरा हूँ बहुत, बातें चार दिल की। लिखने में मैं बुरा हूँ बहुत, बातें चार दिल की। मन मौजी होकर लिखता आसी, अच्छा लगे तो कह देना, अच्छा लगे तो
Wow, wow.
Wow, that was
That was
amazing.
good. That was so good.
Yeah. Bakul ka sun ke and like seeing Divyanshi Didi and Sukriti Didi here, they're in their 4th year. So there was something जो मैंने college के OET में ही बैठ के लिखा था. कोई I had to write some content and I don't know why हम वहाँ पे गए हैं college में, अभी गए हैं हम. So instead of writing about freshers and stuff, I wrote something about farewell. So I wanted to share it with you guys because मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही relatable लगेगा. So I'll start. We came back from where we left to the very same place where we first met. Initially, it was just eye contacts and awkward smiles, and now we hugged each other with teary eyes, wondering how time actually flies. When we first came here, we explored every new place. We tiptoed past them with our own stories to embrace. Thought to ourselves it was indeed a crazy phase. With our every joyous and cheery meet and pressurizing our friends to give us a treat, the burden of engineering assignments used to gradually deplete. Now we all walk out with placements in our hands to flaunt, but deep down, reliving our college days is all we want.
That was great.
This is what I.
Please इसी साल मत करा देना, इतनी poems मत लिखो.
नहीं, वो जब
सही
तक
बात
फेयरवेल
है.
आएगा तो लगेगा ही नहीं इतना टाइम हो.
अभी मत कराना.
Nice. I was just thinking Sukriti is now in the room and we were all saying कि Simone का poetry style is such raw, मतलब very raw, मतलब very similar to me.
Very
and
similar
Sukriti.
to my style of poetry, and I
Yes.
mean, I really liked that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now I will quite literally
Yes.
Yes.
Again, I hate Divyanshi, just in case anybody doubted that. So here we go. This is my humble rendition of Love Young Horse. Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you've cast. This is Love Young Horse. When you kiss me, heaven sighs. And though I close my eyes, I see Love Young Horse. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Every day words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be love beyond. Thank you very much.
That was so worth the wait.
Beautiful.
I am so glad Divyanshi Dee put you on the spot.
I
because
swear,
that was
yeah.
amazing.
Thank you, Divyanshi Dee.
I know, right? I'm so
Yeah,
proud of
thank you, Dee.
myself.
That was just so beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, seeing everyone else
Also, I see
perform.
Sukrit with
Yeah. See, the thing is, I don't have an audio
Stage,
setup,
obviously.
so I have no clue how this will sound. But I mean, let's give it a shot. Like I'm just using my laptop's microphone. Hopefully, it's not too.
Damn.
Nice.
That was
Adam.
amazing.
That was so
amazing.
Siprit really didn't know you had so much talent other than getting roasted and those self-roast. I saw.
I've not look itna sunai diya, like picked up my guitar after like
Ab suna.
months.
Even the glitch which you did in the middle, we heard that too.
Oh shit.
Yeah. It was good. It was really good.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now since everybody's done, I have something to do, so I'll just go on with it. It's just a
please
Hindi
go ahead.
diary. I'm not a shire, so okay. मुस्कुराहटों को समेटना आता तो क्या ही बात थी, मुस्कुराहटों को समेटना आता तो क्या ही बात थी, हम यहाँ साथ देते देते हंसना ही भूल गए, कुछ तस्वीरें ही याद दिलाती हैं कि क्या वो रात थी, कुछ तस्वीरें ही याद दिलाती हैं कि क्या वो रात थी, जिस दिन दूसरों का ध्यान रखते हुए अपने आप में ही झूल गए, अपने आप में ही झूल गए. That was just like something I wrote, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna say it.
That was nice. That was really
Nice. That's what an open mic is about.
Yeah.
See, that was so
Yeah.
nice. ऐसे इतना amazing talent निकल के आ रहा है बाहर.
It's the first time I heard Shruti doing a Hindi poetry, in fact.
And she has
Yeah,
very nice
I
voice.
don't-
I think you can be a good singer. Like you have a nice singing
See,
voice.
Divyanshi, Shruti,
She
Divyanshi
does
will make
sing.
you also sing one day.
She does sing.
I do sing a little bit, but I'm
Yeah,
not gonna do that
I could get it from your voice. Yes.
Abby, you're talking about me. Abby sings really well. Abby is so good at poetry. She's shying
नहीं
away.
नहीं she sings ये she is also उसने सीखा भी हुआ है, वो ऐसे ही बस बोलती
And
नहीं है,
you
पर उसने
haven't?
सीखा हुआ है. नहीं मैंने नहीं सीखा कुछ.
Come on.
So Ishita unmuted it. Do you want to do something, or are you like in the middle of deciding whether or not?
Yeah,
Ishita, another poem.
Very camera shy out singing, so no.
Come on, it's just us.
अब तो literally 13 लोग बचे हैं.
हाँ seriously यार, come on Ishita.
Hey, hype, Ishita, come on.
Ishita.
Ishita.
I'm really bad with lyrics as well. Okay, cool.
It's okay. We don't.
That's
need to-
that's
okay.
fine. That's okay.
Okay. Let me come up with some song. I'm really.
It's okay. Take your time. It's okay. Meanwhile, anyone else wants to? खुशी ने perform किया? खुशी, I don't. पता नहीं किया?
किया था.
Yeah, I think
अच्छा, okay, मैं late आई थोड़ा. Okay. I mean, Khushi can perform again. I mean,
Yes.
Yeah,
Definitely.
don't think I have anything good.
I mean, by all means, if Khushi wants to.
I have one poem. It's very short. It's okay. I think I wrote it on some poem. Okay. Shall I go?
Yes, start.
You should just try to understand what is on if anybody can. What is this molten iron? The memory of a table, an obituary to all those who once sat around it, tumbling remembrance to pieces of buttered bread, of hands held together in prayer of gratitude instead of pleas of desperation. What is this drawer full of half-burnt letters and a photograph with a heart-shaped cutout at the face? Where are these people now, with bodies full of longing? What soils have been enriched with their love? There is that child making paper boats. The last one, now a white lump stuck in the sewer. The last time he raised his eyes towards a plane, there wasn't enough time to wave at it. It's on the bombings that happens during wars. So I think it's a little bit incomplete, but
That was really good.
It was good. Like, did you
Wow.
just think of yourself as the iron and then express its feelings? That's what I got out of it, I think.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's just looking at the ruin and trying to figure out what was there before. Like
And that's
molten iron can be the molten iron was a table. The white lump stuff was a paper boat.
okay. So that was metaphorical though, right? You can
Yeah.
use to say, oh, that is so nice. Loved it.
That's beautiful.
Ishita.
You're on.
Yeah, I actually once wrote a song. I'm trying to search that out.
Chalo, it can't be as bad as my
It's the
performance.
song.
Come on, chalo.
Yes,
Come on,
Let's go.
come on, come on.
Hi. Yeah, I can't. Just give me a second.
Yeah, okay. So Supriti, you're going first, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go.
Wait, what?
You're playing something, right?
Oh, अच्छा नहीं मैं ऐसे ही बता रहा था कुछ.
I have a wasp in my room. I am listening. Okay, I'm just trying to deal with this situation. Just sing, please.
Okay. Suprit, can you play for us?
Okay, cool.
Cover the awkward silence, please.
Okay, I'll play
I
something.
just search up the song.
Red Hot Chili Peppers. Is it audible?
Yeah, it is audible.
Okay, that's good.
Ishita, it's okay. It's okay if you don't want to perform. It's okay. It's not
No,
that-
I
it's not-
found the song finally.
Chalo, that's also okay.
Don't judge me, please. I'm really bad at this.
No, it's okay. Just go ahead.
If I could tell every time that you lied to me, I would know that I can't see through the lens that you show me. And I willingly believe the truths that you conceive. In your head, that's what I wanna see. If only I could tell between what's right and what's wrong for me, I would know where this path leads. I would know where those wounds bleed. Yet I know this one thing for sure. I would still not know what's right or wrong, right or wrong, right or wrong for me. And if I were ever caught in such a calamity, I would do one thing for sure, and that's to open my eyes as wide as they go to. I forgot the last lines. Yeah, that's it.
Actually, very beautiful. That was so good. You wrote the whole thing yourself.
You know the thing, right?
Hi.
Yeah, that's what Sukriti was saying. I think it's a self-written song. It's a self-written song.
Yeah. Sounded like.
That's nice. That's really nice. Chalo, okay, fine. I think everyone is done here. Yeah. I will spare Muskan the trouble of concluding this event for the 100th time. Thank you so much for the 11 people who are still listening. And yeah, it was really nice. Good job, Poet Talk and Anubhuti. Nice. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.